Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to San Nicolo Real Estate. My name is Natasha, and today it is an honor to show you a beautiful villa in the surroundings of Montecatini Terme, in a little village that's called Molsumano Terme, once very famous for the thermal baths and spa. It's only 20 minutes from Florence, so we have these beautiful Tuscan hills surrounding us. The property is divided in two villas, the Villa Roncovisi and the Villa Sant'Angelo. So now here I'm going to take you into the Villa Sant'Angelo. Entering, we have this beautiful rustic kitchen with an amazing fireplace, beautiful stove and marble sink. Here is a beautiful master bedroom. As you see, the furniture is beautiful. It has beautiful cotta floors, wooden beams. Everything is kept as in tradition. Although the villa has been renovated recently and has all its modern comforts. The property has this beautiful garden and includes two beautiful swimming pools. One is 12 by 6 meters and is a part of the Sant'Angelo villa. As you can see, we have views on the green. It's just an amazing scenery. The villa includes this beautiful garden and 7 hectares of land with olive groves. Going down here, I will take you to a beautiful infinity panoramic pool. Isn't this place just amazing? Can you picture yourself here? I can. So I guess today's tour has come to an end. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing these beautiful properties. And please, if you have any feedback or comments, write us. We would surely appreciate it. Hope to see you back soon.